But we turn now to a massive testing campaign underway in the coastal Chinese city of Qingdao after an outbreak emerged over the weekend. China confirmed 13 new cases of the coronavirus on the mainland. 6 are locally transmitted cases in Shandong province. It's largely tied to an outbreak at a hospital in Qingdao. This is the first such outbreak in the mainland in nearly 2 months. The city has now launched a massive drive to test all 9 million residents for the coronavirus. So for the latest on that story, let's get over live to our reporter, Cao Bing, who joins us in Qingdao. So what's the latest on the ground there?
Yes, Jonathan, I'm right now at one of the nucleic acid test point in Qingdao. As you can see right now, people are lining up here with 1 meter long social distance, and they're getting ready for themselves to get tested. Currently, there are hundreds of such nucleic acid testing points set in Qingdao City, from schools to communities. They're working simultaneously from early in the morning till late at night. This is because the city is planning to complete a 9 million scale free nucleic acid test over the whole city in 5 days. And according to the Municipal Health Commission, over 3 million swab samples have already been taken. As we said just now, 6 new cases have been found, with other 5 asymptomatic cases. And meanwhile, the city has canceled over around half of the flights bounding to Qingdao. And even me and my cameraman, Jonathan, we came here last night by train. This is because all the flights were canceled last night. All the measures taken by Qingdao, we can see that even if the scale is not seemingly as big as what we saw in the past few months, we can see that the city is determined to stop the virus from spreading at the very early stage to prevent a possible second wave of outbreak.
Indeed, it's a massive campaign there. So what are the authorities doing to make sure that the virus does not spread beyond Qingdao?
Yes, you know, Qingdao is a very popular scenic spot, and over the past day, Golden Week, around 4.5 people have come to Qingdao for their visit. And they're mostly from the nearby cities, and those municipal governments has issued very strong precaution measures. They have asked those who have come to Qingdao to take the nucleic acid test, and they asked them to go under a very strict monitoring procedure. And for other cities like Beijing and Dalian, they have asked their residents try not to visit the city in this special period of time to prevent themselves from infections. Meanwhile, Qingdao City also have delayed its own SCO Expo, which is set to start in the middle of October. All these measures shows that these, not only in Qingdao, but all the cities and all the governments around the city are determined to nip the risks in the bud.